Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. I'm so happy to be bringing to you guys another video. Now, I've never tried the rice water prior to this video. I've heard things about it here and there, especially last year. I think it became more popular last year. I'm not sure, but I didn't hear much about it before last year. But definitely last year, towards the end of last year, I was hearing this buzz about rice water. People were talking about it and suggesting it, but I don't know. I don't really like to I don't want to say jump on bandwagons, but when something is like very popular, well, except for makeup. If anything is popping in makeup, I gotta try it. You know what I mean? But for some reason with my hair, whenever I hear something is popping or this new thing that's out that everybody's going crazy about, I'm always skeptical. I'm always like, it's just another way of, I don't know, people hyping things up and it not really working. I don't know. But with the rice water, I decided to do some research myself and found a lot of great benefits with using this in my hair, and I was like, you know what, I want to give it a shot before I shoot it down and say that it doesn't work. Let me see, you know, how it could work for my short 4C hair. Now, of course, when you're trying new things in your hair, it's gonna take time, in my opinion, for it to show results. But I saw a couple of videos and read some blogs where women were seeing like inches in like weeks, and I'm just like, okay, yeah, I'm not expecting that to happen. I do like to give myself time and give my hair time to thrive. I don't like to put unnecessary pressure on myself and pressure on my hair like, hey, you need to grow because I need to prove to everyone that this really works. I'm not doing that, no. And I'm not gonna falsify results. Yeah, I'm not gonna go there, but some people like to, you know what I mean? For what reason, I don't know, but whatever the case may be, I'm not doing it. Before I get into the clips in a minute, I just wanted to let you guys know that I do plan to do the rice water rinse maybe twice a month, every other week when I wash my hair. And if I'm washing my hair weekly, depending on how much products I have in my hair, I will not use it every time I wash my hair. I want to do it every other week. So if I'm washing my hair every other week, I'll do that. If I wash my hair after 1 week, I won't use it, but then the next wash I will, because I do hear that when you use it too much, because it's a lot of protein in the rice water, it can make your hair brittle and hard, and it can possibly fall out, and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm gonna use this in moderation. I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm not gonna expect my hair to be down to, you know, saying and most of the videos I've been seeing, right, maybe I'm not looking, I'm not searching the right way, I don't know, but for the most part, the videos I've been seeing, the women who are experimenting with the rice water already have like full long hair. You know what I mean? Not saying that what they're saying that is working for them is not true, but I couldn't really find any videos with women like with hair like me, short hair, 4C, short hair, medium short hair, you know, and it working for them. I didn't find any, so I don't know, maybe I didn't search correctly, I don't know. But anyway, let's get right into it, y'all. And these are the products that you're gonna need. I got 1 cup of rice. That's what research told me to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. 1 cup of rice, a bottle of water. You don't have to use a bottle of water, you can use faucet water, it doesn't matter, I don't think so anyway. And also peppermint, just to take care of that smell, peppermint oil. I did hear the smell is horrible after 24 hours, but I just wanted to make sure, you know. Yeah, so a jar as well to put the rice and the water in. Okay, and then this drainer to drain the rice, of course. And then a bowl to wash the rice. Guys, I like to wash my rice. Whether you're cooking it or using it for the rinse water method, listen, wash your rice, all right? I like to go in and wash my rice 2 to 3 times. Okay, go in and do that. Make sure you get the dirt out and any loose whatever that may be in there. Wash your rice, y'all. And then after that, I'm gonna scoop that rice from the bowl into the jar. You could use your hands, but I don't know, I feel like it's more sanitary using a spoon or something. I'm gonna scoop all that rice into the jar. Now, I was a little confused with how much water I should use for this rinse, but I just decided to just use that whole bottle. Then that was about 2 cups, okay? Some people, I think, use just 1 cup, but I went in with 2, just to fill it up as much as possible. Now, after I fill the jar up with water, I do go in and add 3 drops of the essential peppermint oil just to help with the smell, okay? Now, you tie this jar shut and then you leave it, let it sit for 24 hours so that the rice can ferment, and then you can get all the protein in the water and proceed. Okay, now before I wash my hair, I just wanted to do an unofficial length check just to see where my hair is at. The front looks like it's right beneath my chin, because I just want to test this out to see if my hair will grow in a couple of months, if this will really help it grow like I've been seeing online. Okay, and the back is like past my collarbone. I'd say about an inch past my collarbone. So guys, remember this, all right? Hopefully, yeah, I'll remember too. I'll reference back to this video just to see the length. And the side, which is my problem area, I'm really hoping this rinse will help the sides of my hair. I feel like it's not as full as the rest of my hair. The sides has always been my weakness, I guess, my weak point. Right, 24 hours later, the rice is fermented, and now I can drain it so that I can put it in my hair. Now I'm just smelling it, and it smells fine. The essential oil actually helped with the smell, because I heard that smell after 24 hours is brutal. Okay, so I didn't want to go or walk around smelling like ill, you know? Yeah. So next I'm gonna drain the water into the bottle that I'm gonna apply to my hair, and of course this is what it's gonna look like afterwards. You can throw that rice away, y'all. All right, I use a sulfate-free shampoo. Make sure your shampoo you're using is not too drying, because I do hear this water rinse, you know, it can dry your hair out if you don't use the right products along with it. Okay, now I'm just slightly finger detangling my hair. And I'm gonna apply a generous amount of this water into my scalp, especially massage it into my scalp, and then apply to the strands of and then apply it to my hair. I am basically drenching my hair with this stuff, okay, and massaging my scalp. And I do feel the peppermint. I did feel that little tingly feeling because I've added a couple of drops of the peppermint oil to the rinse. And I just apply some onto my scalp, making sure I don't miss any spots. And I'm doing this in sections, y'all. And after each section, I will twist and move on to the next. I'm doing the same pretty much for my whole head, okay? Yeah, guys, like I said, I don't know. How long will this take to work for you? For me, some people saw results in a week. Some people saw results in a month. You know what I mean? No pressure. Let's see. And that's why I wanted to do this challenge, because I wanted to keep you guys posted as I go along, just to see how this is going to work for me. But honestly, y'all, I don't know if it was in my head, but as I'm applying this to my hair, I do feel like my hair was getting stronger. So I'm like, is it just me? Or is my hair getting a little stronger, like while I'm applying it? You know what I mean? But I don't want to say something that's not true. I don't know if it's in my head or because I, you know, read it somewhere and it's just stuck in my subconscious. I don't know, but that's how I feel. And this is what my hair is looking like after I apply the rice water. I'm just showing you guys the back. And then I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do this, but I decided to cover my hair with a plastic bag. Hey, I don't know, this is optional. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I decided to do it anyway. And I left this in my hair for an hour. Guys, I had leftover water. What am I supposed to do with this? Can I put it in the fridge? Let me know, y'all, in the comment section. All right, so I'm back 1 hour later, and I'm about to rinse my hair out. And once I rinse my hair out, I'm gonna use my microfiber towel, y'all, to dry, you know, somewhat dry my hair. And I'm just taking the twist out so that I can apply my deep conditioner. And like I said, y'all, I don't know if it was in my head, but I felt like my hair was a little stronger. Okay? Anyway, I'm taking my favorite deep conditioner at the moment. I can't wait to share this with you guys. That's coming up in a future video. But yeah, I'm applying this generously to my hair. Now, some people did complain that their hair was brittle after using this, but I learned from them, and I decided to go in with a deep conditioner, a mask actually, after applying the protein treatment, just to give my hair a balance. I don't want it to be dry. I need that moisture. My 4C hair needs moisture. All right, I'm applying it to all of my hair. Guys, I kind of felt the difference. Okay, I don't know. I don't want to jump on the bandwagon and make things up, but I can't explain. My hair felt stronger. Yeah, it felt stronger and a little thicker. I was like, oh, okay. So I'm going to cover my hair again for 30 minutes with the mask conditioner so that my hair can be moisturized. And after afterwards, after 30 minutes, this is what my hair is looking like with the conditioner in, and I rinsed it out. Got my microfiber towel again just to squeeze out the excess excess water. And this is what my hair is looking like, guys, after rinsing the conditioner out. Super soft. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know what to say yet. That's why I want to give this time to work. But my hair felt strong and moisturized, and I'm just looking forward to see, you know, the results in the future, if I get any anyway. So yeah. After that, I went on with my routine to apply my leave-in conditioner, my oil, and my product so that I can get this twist out that's here today. So this is the result of all of that from yesterday washing and the conditioners and stuff like that. So like I said, I do feel like my hair is a little stronger. Is it in my head? I don't know, but guess what? I did the unofficial length check, right? The front part of my hair was already stretched. So I will come back every time I wash my hair. I will come back and give you guys an update with how my hair is progressing. And if I'm seeing any results from the rice water, I will definitely keep you guys posted. Let me know what you guys do with the remainder of the water, because I had a lot left. I guess I made too much. I put it in my fridge. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I put it in my fridge. And how long can it last in the fridge? Like if I go and do it again in 2 weeks, will that water still be okay? Will I need to warm it up? Let me know. If you know the answer to that, please leave in the comment section. Help a sister out. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I can't wait to come back and share with you some results, if any. And yeah, I will keep it 100% real with y'all. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Really? Okay, subscribe. All right, and while you're here, you might as well watch the next video. Have a great day, great week. I know it's Super Bowl weekend and NBA All-Star weekend is coming up soon. There's a whole bunch of things that's coming up in this month of February. It's Black History Month. How about that? All right, you guys enjoy and have a great one. Until next time, bye.